The military sleep method might be just what you've been searching for. Designed to help soldiers sleep anywhere, this method is said to allow you to fall asleep in 2 minutes. If you lie awake nights, this technique may revolutionize your sleep. Let's take it apart step by step. Step 1. Relax your face and body. Start by completely relaxing your face. Close your eyes. Let go of tension in your forehead, cheeks, and jaw. Let go of your shoulders and let your arms dangle freely. Let your hands and fingers relax. Take deep breaths, letting your chest relax, and work your way down, unclenching your thighs, calves, and feet. Your entire body should be loose and light. Step 2. Inner peace and mindful breathing. Breathe deeply and slowly, in through the nose and out through the mouth. Imagine a peaceful, idyllic scene, like floating on a lake or lying on a beach. If disturbing thoughts intrude, gently brush them aside and focus on breathing. Step 3. Mind reset. The secret to success. One of the biggest parts of this technique is having a clear mind. Try repeating a short phrase in your head, like don't think for about 10 seconds. This shuts out worrisome thoughts and allows your brain to enter relaxation mode. Step 4. Practice and be consistent. As with any technique, the military sleep method needs to be practiced. If it doesn't work right away, don't give up on it. It usually takes 6 weeks of regular use to become proficient. The more you practice, the quicker and easier it is to fall asleep. Final thoughts. Getting good sleep is crucial for your health and well-being. With these steps, you can train your body and mind to sleep instantly, no matter what the situation is.